So when you're screeding a large bathroom floor, you always level right around, dead level. I'm giving this one a little bit of fall, so it's probably it's line fall. So on the length of that level, it's 10 mil. So that's a 2 meter level. I'm falling 5 mil. You can't get 5 mil per meter. You can't give it super heaps because I'm laying a large format tile. So now all I'm going to be doing is dragging this back. I've got my rail there, my runner. I've got my rail here, so all I'm doing now is just following it. I rocked up this morning and it's a refurbishment, but it's not just the ensuite that's getting done. The painter is here, a plumber is here, carpet layer is here. I think the Sparky was here before. The cabinet guy is coming tomorrow to fit the ensuite cabinetry. So it's full on. I'm used to being by myself and doing my bathrooms, but that's all right. You're working. See how I'm pulling that back? Just like that. And that there, DIYs, is how you screed a bathroom floor. In my videos before, I've said to you, you watch that side and you watch that side, and you can't go wrong. You don't dig in and you're laughing. I never steel float things off. A bit of a rough surface is better for the glue. I've got a few more bags of mud down in the down in my van in case I run out, but hopefully I've got enough up here. If I am short, it'll only be a couple of bags anyway, but I've got to hump upstairs. So from any angle, it's falling. See that? And the length of that level, it's 5 mil. Always put your straight edge all over the place just to check that you're flat. Drag it off slightly like that, because I noticed I had just a little bit of a hump. That's good. That's good. All right, I'll be back in touch with you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll learn how to tile if you keep watching video after video of mine. You'll pick it up. See ya. Bye.